Hey folks, Tim here with a day number 4 countdown left. 4 days left before the best buying houses subject to with little to no money workshop that takes place in North Texas. That's going to begin in 4 days. So just giving you another update. Yesterday we talked about the intro and what Sub 2 is a little bit. We talked about the marketing strategies we're going to cover. That is what we're going to cover at the beginning of the event in pre-screening sellers. And then continuing on, today I'm going to mention deal structuring strategies. That'll be happening Saturday as well, and steps of doing the deal. So we're going to take all these different ideas that you have on and that we cover on strategies, and I think I have 6 or 8 different subject to deal strategies, structuring deals that I'm going to go over with you. And then we're going to get into the steps of doing that deal, and then we're going to get into some live case studies. I'm hoping you bring some deals, so if you have Sub 2 leads, please bring them with you. And then we will go through those live in class. That'll be a lot better than the stuff that I have, but I will have a couple there of my own as backups. I'd much rather be doing yours though. So that's it for today. Again, just a reminder, be sure that you print the property information sheet that you receive in the welcome email. That's going to be important because we're going to go through and talk about all these different data fields on that information sheet and how important they are to get that information filled in when you're pre-screening the sellers, and what kinds of questions you need to ask for that. So we're going to get into some details there. Please bring your leads. The more leads you can bring, within reason of course, but if we have real leads, then we can do the analysis, determine if there's an opportunity there, a deal there, and then what kind of pre-screening questions you need to ask on your property information sheet. So please, please, please bring that. And then the other thing I want to mention and suggest is that you come into the group here, westdfwreigroup.com, hit the calendar of events button, and then go back here to the February calendar and click this, the pros and cons of taking the deed subject to. That was a great event. I always get a lot of great comments on that, but that will help you kind of as a baseline to what we're going to cover on Saturday morning. If at all possible, go watch that, okay? It's free to everybody here. Just come to this page on 6 February, scroll clear to the bottom, and just click on that video link right there. You can watch, you can listen to audio too, but the video is probably going to be your best bet. And there's a presentation right here that you can go walk through as well. But if you don't know that much about subject to deals, it would be very helpful to you in the class if we don't get bogged down with some questions that are probably asked in those training videos and presentations. So again, see you Saturday. Again, it's Saturday, 20 March. Come to the calendar of events. Come over here, click March if it's not already there. Click there and then scroll clear to the bottom to get registered. You can watch this other video here about the course and then go through all the details on the things that we're going to be covering. And the other thing that I just want to mention here is you got all these testimonials and stuff right here. There's a link right here. Go listen to what other people said about this course that have already been through this. So it's to your benefit. And I'm trying to teach you how to ride that wave of all those pre-foreclosures that are fixing to hit us later on this year and 2021 or 2022. So hope you're on the wave with us. Talk to you soon. See you Saturday.